Most people in Pakistan live along the Indus River. It runs from the north to the south and is an area prone to severe monsoon flooding. But this year's monsoon rains are unprecedented, affecting all four of the country's provinces. If we look at how many homes have been damaged, this shows which districts are the worst affected. The darker areas have the greatest damage. Up to 130,000 homes have been damaged in these different districts. Now, satellite imagery shows the extent of the flooding. On the left here, villages along a section of the Indus River. That was back in March. This is the same location now, look, completely submerged. And that's why the Navy has been brought in to help these remote rural areas. Global warming is being blamed. Let's just consider glaciers. There are over 7,000 in Pakistan. That's more than anywhere else outside the polar regions. But rising temperatures are causing increasing glacial melt, which in turn is causing flooding. And that isn't the only problem. Climate change is increasing the intensity, the frequency and the duration of monsoon rainfalls. This heat map shows how much rain will fall during this year's monsoon, and it's all above normal levels, but particularly in the darker blue areas, the Sindh and the Punjab provinces. And this chart gives us a sense of how vulnerable Pakistan is to climate change. It shows how much hotter the country could get. The two lines show the projected number of hot days. That's days over 35 degrees that Pakistan could see over the next 80 years. The blue line is the best case scenario. That's if rapid global action is taken to cut greenhouse gas emissions. But if little action is taken, the orange line here shows the worst case scenario. The number of hot days leaps from just under 130 to around 180 a year. And that could be catastrophic, causing drought, failing crops and significant problems with water supplies.